Hello and welcome to all the viewers watching my video. My name is Lucky and today I'm going to tell you that to whom exactly we say intelligent. If you are a school student, then this video is for you, and that's my promise that if you stay till end, then you will be so much motivated that all the people around you will say that yes, this person is intelligent. So let's get started. So the first thing first, no one in this world is intelligent. We say a person intelligent only in his field. In his field, he is intelligent. See, I will tell you this with an example. Suppose there is a Dr. Ben, and now if I say Ben, that can you repair my car? So Ben is a doctor. He just knows that how to hold surgical equipments. He does not know that how to hold mechanical parts. So how can he do that thing? It's same here. No one is intelligent. He's only intelligent in his medical field, and a mechanic is intelligent only in his mechanical field. So that is the major difference. And while the same if I say in the school, so now let me tell you that how can you be intelligent? My friend, it is simple. It is just simple. You see, the topper of the class to which you say intelligent because he gained more marks. Why you say him? Because he gained more marks. Yeah, that's why you say him intelligent. But as you see, you and he is studying together. You and he, they are listening to the same words that the teachers say. You and him, they are getting the same education. They are having the same curriculum. They are having the same questions in exam. They're having the same time. There is no discrimination in this thing. Then why do you think that he is intelligent? Why can't you be? My friend, it's all the difference of determination, willpower. I'm not saying it's knowledge. Yeah, it's hard work also, because but what I say that if you are in a class and if you are attentive, then there is no need to study later. It's all in your mind, because your mind is the knowledge tank. It is just hungry for knowledge. It just feeds on knowledge, and that's why your mind requires knowledge, and you will catch it very easily. So my friend, why can't you be intelligent? It's all about your willpower, your determination, what you think. And my passion is to speak. So to support me, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification to be the first viewer of my video, because that's a great feeling, and share it with your friends, especially if they're students, so they know that to whom exactly we say intelligent, and they will clear their doubts that yes, they are also intelligent. So with that, I'd like to end this. Thank you.